Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Philip You Take Dad, and today I'm unboxing a Nintendo Switch. Yes, it's been out for a while, but we just got one. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what's in here. I know the kids are excited. They want me to hurry up and unbox it so they can start playing with it. So I'm gonna get this open. I don't think I need a unboxing knife for this, so let's see. Been going to work every morning. My son's been calling me saying, "Dad, can we unbox it? Can we unbox it? Can I open it? Can I play it?" I'm like, not yet. So, whoa, this is it. Let's see here. Got a little screen here. I am not really sure how this works at all. So, here we go. A little screen here. And looks like we got the joysticks, Joycons is what I think they're calling it. We got these two here. Man, looks like something. Nothing there. Nope. Alright, we got some cables here. HDMI cable. The power cord. Oh, cool! It comes with a kind of a joystick kind of holder. I'm not really sure what this is as of yet, but I'll check it out. Looks like some documentation. And let's see what's in here. Oh, almost forgot this. I think you would charge the Joy-Cons, but I'm not sure yet. So, what's in this box here? Okay, this is the docking system here. It's got back here HDMI, so I guess, okay, you can pull that down and all the connections are here. HDMI out, USB, AC adapter, so that goes in there, and I guess you can just run the cords through here so it don't be all messy. So there we go. So let's move this out the way. So this is everything we got here. We've got this thing here, I guess the, man, I don't even know what these are called yet, but I will know. Okay, we got your docking station here, got a Joy-Con. I think this is the plug or charge the Joy-Con. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like you just maybe slide them in here and charge them up that way. But I don't want to push it in there yet until I figure out and read the instructions on how you would do this. But they feel really nice. They nice little grip here. And I guess these are what slide in here. Yeah, that's what slides in there. I don't even know how to get that out of there now. Oh, there's a little button back here that you'll press and slide. So get that little. Let's see here. There we go. Take this out here. Ooh. Man, this is pretty cool. I guess this is what you would slide these on. So make sure I get this. There's the other one. There we go. This is cool. This is really cool. Man. This is actually pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Now it looks like we have a game card. It says game card here. Volume up, volume down, power button. You have your shoulder pads here. And then the A, B, Y, X, and your analog sticks here. What's on the bottom here? Looks like where you would plug in the AC adapter. And not sure what this is down here at the bottom as of yet. It looks like what you use to point your remote at. Oh, there's a home button and some little plus sign up here and a minus sign on this side. And I'm not sure what this button is, what it does either. So, but I'll do a review video on this also to let you know more about this. But we're gonna get this thing set up, and once I play with it for a while and the kids play with it, I'm going to do a review video. So if you do have any questions on the Nintendo Switch, please leave a comment at the bottom and I will answer as fast as I can for you. A couple of other things that I got are the games. Here we go. We got Nintendo, the Mario Kart Deluxe 8, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and I love Mario Kart. That's my favorite game to play on any Nintendo device. And we got The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. So I'm gonna play those. And the one thing my brother-in-law told me that you're gonna need, because he's got one, he told me you're gonna need is the screen protector, because something happens when if you slide this into the docking station, it actually can scratch up your screen. So I'm gonna put this on there and, you know, make sure I don't want to get this thing scratched up. And one more thing I got, not sure if I really need this or how this actually works, a micro SD card. I think this is just to save your footage and all that stuff, your gameplay and all this other stuff, and I'll let you know in the review video more about it. So I believe that is it right there. We're gonna get this set up, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright everyone, what we're gonna do is go ahead and get it set up, and I know I'm gonna need to get this protective cover on there before I slide it into the dock. So let's see what we need here. We got these here. We'll take this off. Take these off. And there's the switch. Games. What happened to that? Oh, there's the docking station. So here's the docking station here. So we're going to get the AC adapter. Get it plugged up here. If you're looking for some good gameplay, check out this channel, Spider-Man Elite. Great channel to watch some gameplay. Alright, we'll plug up the AC adapter. It's going to go in here just like this. So. And the HDMI cable. And then I'm gonna close it up. And HDMI hookup. Do get this protective cover on here. Protective cover. And then you got your little cloth here. There you go. And I guess this is the little thing that presses and lets the air bubbles out. This all. like this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put the snap, snap, so snap. All right, we're gonna go to setup, and I'll be back and show you what. All right, everyone. So we got everything set up on the television. So what I'm gonna do is go through the setup process, play a few games, and what I'll do is come back with a review video pretty soon. So I'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. I'm Phil, True Tech Dad. If you did like my unboxing video and setup, please press that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and hit that bell button also, because it also lets you know when I put up a new video. So I'll talk to y'all later. If you have any questions about this or any games I should be buying to play, please leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you in touch with y'all as soon as I can.